Hi everyone, today we'll be presenting on one of the most popular digital platforms in the world, YouTube. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the history of YouTube. YouTube was founded on February 14, 2005. At first, it was just a simple video sharing website. But very quickly, it becomes something much bigger, a major part of the internet and digital culture. So basically, let's talk about YouTube's growth and acquisition. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock. That move changed everything, because as of 2025, YouTube has over 3.5 billion monthly users and generates approximately $36 billion in annual ad revenue. So basically, how does YouTube use data science? First and foremost, it is in personalized recommendation. So basically, the system learns your habits and shows that, or basically content that you'll probably enjoy and would recommend it to you more. Next is content moderation and safety. AI helps detect harmful or inappropriate content in people's videos or posts or YouTube shorts, basically in anything. Okay, next is metadata generation and video analysis. This improves searchability and makes suggestions smarter because it helps YouTube to categorize and cluster each genre or type of videos that is uploaded. And finally, targeted advertising and monetization, whereas advertisers can reach the right audience at the right time. Which means that for example, I will give you an example. Whereas, for example, you recently download an application on, for example, you download TeraBox, which is a storage application. Next, what YouTube would do is that YouTube would actually advertise to you in the YouTube application itself about, for example, Drive, cloud storage, for example, Google Drive or Google One, and so on. And then let's talk about YouTube's core business. So first and foremost, it is a video sharing platform where anyone can post and watch content. Second is monetization, where creators can earn money through ads, memberships, and more, such as super chat and basically advertising their own products. For example, Mr. Beast and advertising his Feast Burger or Feastable bars, something like that. Third is fan engagement, whereas features such as live comments, live chat, and posts can connect fans with the creators themselves. And finally, YouTube shopping, where users can shop directly through creator videos and live streams. Because sometimes during live streams, people will advertise something, and which can also lead them to gain a significant amount of money, especially when there is a lot of people in the live stream. Next is how YouTube employs data science to improve business operations. So basically, first and foremost, it is personalized recommendations, whereas they will improve recommendation algorithms and provide you with content that you are more likely to watch. Content moderation and safety is basically they will moderate and flag unsafe content. Flag means that they would be alerted of the dangerous content that is being uploaded. Metadata generation and video analysis, as we have previously stated before, it can make content easier to find. For example, they would cluster for example, K-pop in a group, so that whenever you search K-pop music, they would pull out lots of different groups and will display them to you, so that you can choose whatever that you want to watch. Targeted advertisements and monetization, whereas how it helps YouTube to improve business operation, it will drive revenue efficiently, because as we all know, YouTube gains money from ad revenue. And finally, user engagement and retention, such as basically user retention is boosted through constant algorithm updates. For example, during the early stages of YouTube, you can only watch videos like, doesn't matter whether it's like 7 minutes or an hour, 2 hour, but now previously they also employ YouTube Shorts, where you can like watch like a video that is like a minute, so that you won't be bored as easily. Okay, so we have reached the final. Thank you for listening to our presentation. I hope that you have gained a better understanding of how YouTube uses data science to stay at the top of the digital world. Thank you and goodbye.